Hey you guys, today we have a 2004 GMC Yukon. This would also be true of the Chevy Tahoe. And this little part broke right here. It's part of the radiator system and it's used to get water, hot water from the radiator to flow through here. This is the part that broke, and bring heat to the little radiator that's inside the truck to give you heat. 20 years, or it might almost be 21 years, this part just broke and coolant was just flying out of here. We were going down the freeway and all of a sudden there's steam everywhere and our temperature gauge pegs. We pulled over, tried to figure out what happened, and we saw the water shooting out of there. Just to get us home, I just plugged it with, I just happened to have a brush with me that's about the right aperture. So I just put this thing in there to plug it. And then on the other side of the hose, this is where the hose was, I put in something here to plug it. What we're going to do today is just remove this broken part here. So we've cut through the top of this by about a 16th. So we can pry this thing off now. It's really hard to get this thing off. Yeah, looks like it's going to come off now finally. This off. Let's slip a new one on. There we go. Okay, that came off. Good. No, come off there. There we go. Okay, that's off. Okay, to there. Rather than going quick connect and then this, see if it's long enough to reach. It'll be a lot easier. Press this one. Your heater hose in position here. Ready. Slip that on. I think that does reach. Let's go with this one. Going straight on to the heater hose. All right, I'm going to squeeze the clamp, see if that holds. I don't know if that's going to be tight enough to hold tension. Try it. See if that works. So we were going down the freeway at about 65 miles an hour and all of a sudden had a bunch of steam coming out here and we had our temperature gauge went up pretty fast. What had happened is that this piece, this quick connector, plastic had broken right at this seam. This hose had fallen off and the water pump down here was pressurizing the hose, and coolant was shooting through here and going into a smaller radiator inside the cabin for giving you heat. And when that broke, coolant was just flying out of here all over the engine and you kind of left stranded. One thing you could do in a pinch if you had to get home, if you could get some water in your radiator, ideally antifreeze, but even water just to get you a few more miles down the road, pinch off this tube, the same thing. I'm sorry, pinch off this tube, the one that had fallen off, and then stuff something into here so water can't flow. That would be enough to maybe get you home. But now that this is on, let's fire it up and see if it holds pressure. So we'll add some 50-50 radiator fluid in there because we lost a lot when that had come off into the reservoir. Let's do that. So we've got the heater on, both the back and the front, medium fan, and that allows the radiator fluid to flow through a small radiator right here and a small radiator in the back. And our temperature gauge after 10 minutes is doing good, it's warming up. You don't really want it to get much beyond the 210 point. but ours usually runs when it's fully warmed up just before the 210. So that's fine, but anything beyond could be dangerous. And it seems like that clamp without the quick connect did work. Right here, and it seems like it's holding pressure, no leaks. So that plastic piece is just broken off before, and now looks like it's okay. So hopefully that'll help you if that ever happens to you. You get off that quick connect. For me, what I had to do is just, I couldn't get it to release, so I used a hacksaw to cut this way, and I split the case open, pulled it off, and then I was able to just put the heater hose right on there with the same clamp. Hopefully that'll work for you and get you going. Thanks so much for watching our video. I hope that helped you to save some time and money. Hope you'll click on the subscribe link below in the description below, and also then on the little bell notification so we can send you weekly videos like this one that will help you to fix the appliances around your home. If you need any extra live help to help with your project, just click on the link in the upper right hand corner here or in the description below. That'll get you some live expert help. I'll be glad to give you a call or a text or a Zoom call where we can work out any kind of problem you're having and help you to get your appliance working good in short order and save you a lot of money. So thanks again for watching and for supporting our channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.